In this video, I'll show you how to charge your Xiaomi Smart Band 10. All you have to do is grab the charger that comes in the cable or in the box, sorry. So this is the charger for your Xiaomi Smart Band 10. And then connect this end to any power source. So simply connect it to a power source. And then once you connect it to a power source, all you have to do is align these magnetic pins at the back of your Smart Band 10. So you should align them at this back. So simply touch them, and then you should feel a clicking, or you should hear a clicking sound. And once it clicks, your Xiaomi Smart Band 10 will begin charging. So that's basically it on how to charge your Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.